Lenny, get Daddy. Careful. Go ahead.
You gotta look in it.
No.
What's in there?
Brad.
No,
Yeah, it's funny.
I guess the force of the water was a little too much for you. Here. Where's Mark? Come on, Mark. Come dance in the water. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Mark, go get Lainey.
Mark, want to try? Come on, try for me.
Mark's afraid of the hose.
Afraid of the hose.